How to show what game you are playing on Discord. Firstly, open your Discord application and locate the setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and simply click on it to proceed. After clicking the setting icon, a new window will open on Discord. Please find the activity settings among the options on the left hand side of your Discord interface. Then simply proceed by clicking on Activity Privacy and then enable all the options under Activity Status. This will allow Discord to automatically track when you launch a game. So now, after completing all the previous steps, launch any game and it will be displayed on your Discord as a status message. Discord users can enable and customize the activity status only if they are using the Discord desktop client. Smartphone and web version users won't be able to display their activity to their friends on Discord. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.